In the first episode of the series, I talk about how important it is to engage with your customers. Comment on their posts, respond to their comments on yours. But how easy is that to do on a technical standpoint? Instagram? Very simple and easy. Twitter? You bet. Facebook? It gets a little more complicated. If you want to start building stronger relationships with your followers, finding new customers, and strengthening your brand, then keep watching. Here are the steps to engage with your followers through your business pages. Facebook engagement in 3 simple steps. 1. Log into your Facebook and go to the post you want to comment on. 2. If you look above the comment sections and to the far right, you'll see a profile icon with the drop-down menu arrow. Click on it. Instagram and Twitter are so much easier to navigate. Instagram and Twitter gives you the option to choose which profile you want to be in without having to log in or log out of your personal page and business page. After that, smooth sailing. Take a moment to go through your list of followers and engage with their posts. Respond to their Instagram stories. Now here's where things get a little bit tricky. These steps are easy if you're wanting to comment on another business page or group page as your business account. But if you're wanting to engage with your customers and their posts, you cannot do it from your business account. You have to do it from your own personal profile. Sometimes this can be great because you're putting an actual real person behind that brand. But you cannot comment on your customers' posts as your business account unless your company is tagged in that post. Now, this act is still very important for brand awareness. I would encourage doing this on community pages. For instance, you may see on a local mom group that they're complaining about their HVAC company. Here is a perfect opportunity to make a great impression. Maybe there's a local fundraiser or an animal shelter near you that is in need of donations and fosters. Oh, you better share that post and comment as your business page. Offer up a free pet package or supplies to whoever steps up to foster. You will make a great name for yourself in your community. This shows integrity and good moral compass coming from your company logo. Instagram and Twitter are so much easier to navigate. Instagram and Twitter gives you the option to choose which profile you want to be in without having to log in or log out of your personal page and business page. After that, smooth sailing. Take a moment to go through your list of followers and engage with their posts. Respond to their Instagram stories. Now, if you found another effective way to engage with your customers on social media, tell us about it in the comments below. Don't forget to share, subscribe to this channel, turn on those notifications, and if you have someone in charge of running your social media accounts, refer them to this series. Thank you so much for watching another episode of my social media tip series. I'm Brandy, social media specialist with Service Nation, and I will see you next time.